What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good evening, I hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this video in which we're going to be doing a little bit of a new thing. We're going to be taking a look at Axelar. And it's not really a new thing. I take a look at a lot of crypto projects, such as what I did with Optimism when it just launched their own OP token. And the same goes for Axelar and their own token AXL. So what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be talking about the launch, the price right now, what's going on, quite a lot of volume, quite some decent gains today, but also what is the project and some things you need to know, like does it have some potential, is it being developed, does it have a fully documented team, and most importantly, does it have a future in crypto? And the main reason why I always want to do these things, such as what I also did with Optimism when it just launched, is that the cryptos that has had the best and the biggest bull runs in last bull market were the cryptos that were developed in 2020, 2019. So just before that bull market. And I think next bull market, the same thing is going to be there. The next generation of projects will be developed and they will be the ones with the biggest gains. Axelar could be one of them. It looks promising, all right, but that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to make this video, just to take a look at it. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let's dive right into it. What you can see is that on CoinMarketCap, there's no market cap yet and no circulating supply. There's no max supply, as you can see. We will get that very soon. For now, it's really hard to say anything about it when you don't have a market cap. I mean, price doesn't say anything. It's all about market cap. We're probably going to start at around a 50, 100, maybe 200 million market cap. And next bull market, kind of depending on how well the project and how well their blockchain will be used. I think it can definitely get up to at least a 1 billion, and then depending on how much they develop, that could go up to 5 billion, but also 10 billion. I would see that as very possible. If it really delivers, right? That's the main thing. We're going to be talking about that right now. So Axelar.network is the website. So first I wanted to talk a little bit about how Axelar works. It's very technical, and if you want to know more about that, you should read their white paper. Don't worry, we won't do that in this video. But quickly, how Axelar works is that Axelar's core is a permissionless overlay network. It's an overlay network, and it delivers Turing-complete cross-chain communication via proof of stake and permissionless protocols. So the main thing is Axelar is their own blockchain, proof of stake blockchain. It's a layer 1, but its main thing is not being a layer 1. Its main thing is interoperability and inter-blockchain communication. So the main thing is, and we'll talk about that a little bit later, is that if you're using a decentralized application that is built on one specific blockchain, that you can actually interact with other decentralized applications or other blockchains using Axelar. So you don't have to do a lot, and it's mainly a thing for developers to actually increase usability and to decrease complexity in decentralized applications. So Axelar validators monitor gateways on the internet connected chains, so the smart contracts, and run a decentralized protocol to process cross-chain messages between them. So those messages could be functions in a certain blockchain. It could also be transactions. Yeah, so if you want to read more about it, it's right here. I mean, as you can see, the first generation of cross-chain solutions were bridges, so transferring wrapped assets between chains. And Axelar enables developers to send any payload. So a cross-chain message can call upon a function on another chain and integrate it into a one-click experience for a user holding any asset. So definitely some potential. Definitely a lot of potential. You can read more about it, but as I said, it's really technical. It's a great solution for developers, but that doesn't mean it's only for them. I mean, if the marketing is done right, this could also get a big community behind it who believe in a project. But that largely depends on how the project will be developed and also how it will be used by decentralized applications, where the more usage equals the more potential long term. So that's why I also wanted to talk. I mean, ecosystem apps, you cannot really see anything about that. Developers, this is not really important except for GitHub. GitHub is a great thing you can add to your own research on a specific crypto. And you can see for the GitHub, which I already opened for Axelar Network, It's being developed a lot. It looks very good, and believe me, I checked out a lot of projects on GitHub. Axelar looks good. I mean, you can click this, and you gain all of these things, and you can see that a lot is being developed. Now, some things are obviously more important than other things, but you can see that almost everything is being developed very recently. Compare that with other cryptos and you will not see this image. So this is a very bullish thing, all right? Very bullish, I think. Apart from that, the team is, the team, it's also important. The team is fully documented, as you can see. It's a very mixed team. Some people from Russia, United States, Canada, basically Asia, Portugal, a lot of things. Some of the co-founders, or both of the co-founders, actually come from Algorand, and Algorand is a crypto that has a great community. So hopefully they will be able to maybe turn over some of those Algorand supporters to also support Axelar. That would be a great thing. I think it at least is fundamentally bullish for Axelar. It's a great thing. Algorand is a solid blockchain, has always had a great reputation, but apart from that, as you can see, it's fully documented and a lot of people working on it. Apart from that, the one thing, as I said, you can read the white paper if you want to. I didn't want to do that in this video. The one thing they have already is their own bridge. All right, so Axelar will be more than a bridge, but it also has a bridge that is satellite.money. You can also find that on CoinMarketCap right here. And right here, you can already use this bridge, as you can see, and you can transfer assets such as USDC, or their own Axel token, as you can see, via that bridge from, for example, Ethereum. But quite a lot of chains. I mean, I haven't seen this many chains in quite some time. Some are missing. I mean, for example, I don't see Solana yet, which they should have that, but all right, they don't have that yet, and you can transfer to another chain. I haven't used this yet. You can connect your own wallets. I probably need to still create some liquidity for this. But then again, it looks good. All right. So yeah, that they already have. But that is, I think, a great overview of Axelar and its opportunities. As I said in the beginning, I think with all of the functionality, depending on how much it will be developed, but also on how much it will be used by decentralized applications makers. Depending on that will really create either whether it's going to be a big crypto, so a 5 to 10 billion crypto, or just a 1 billion because it's hyped and because it's a legit project. I mean, in the end, almost all projects will be bullish in a bull market. Quickly to end it, you can see that they have great backers too, such as Dragonfly Capital, but also Coinbase and Binance. So with that, that's the end of this video. If you do have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. I want to wish you all a great evening, and I hope to see you all in the next videos. Bye.